Okay guys, this is reason number 2 why you guys must to have a dash cam in your vehicle. April 19, 2021, finishing paying my car, and this guy failed the stop sign, yelling at me and asking me why I failed the stop sign, and he did it. He didn't want to take responsibility. Thanks God I got evidence. As you guys can see, the ambulance show up to check me out, but I got the most important thing right here. As you guys see, I got everything, all the information from the vehicle. Sometimes you guys feel bad for the accident. You guys got no mind to take anything from the other driver, and you can rely in a camera like this. Now, the other important thing is, if you guys are in a traffic light and you guys got the accident instead of a failed stop sign like this guy did, well, guess what? Most of the time the court is gonna divide the charges in half, and that means you have to pay your own damages and this guy have to pay his damages. It doesn't matter if it was his fault, but if you got a camera proving that it was his fault, then you're gonna win the case and he must to pay you. Think about it, guys.